a great day to learn new things, right? And for today, we will be learning some simple Korean conversations.
Receiving phone calls or maybe calling a friend makes us feel great, right?
But what if we will talk in Korean language? Having our conversation, let me discuss to you the commonly used phrases.
The first one is hello, or in Korean,
여보세요,
the second one is I'm fine, or in Korean,
잘 지내요,
the third one is you're welcome, or in Korean,
아니요. Thank you in Korean is
감사합니다.
goodbye in Korean is
안녕히가세요.
stop.
안녕하세요, 아닙니다. Today, let's talk about basic travel phrases. Who, when, where, what, why, and how. First, who. 누가. 누가. Second, when. 언제. 언제. Third, where. 어디서. 어디서. Fourth, what. 무슨. 무슨. Why. Where. And how. 어떻게. 어떻게.
Today we are going to translate colors to Korean language. First, red. 빨간색. 빨간색. The other is pink. 핑크색. 핑크색. The other is purple. 보라색. 보라색. The other is gray. 회색. 회색. Brown. 갈색. 갈색. Blue. 파란색. 파란색. Green. There's two ways to say green. First, 초록색. 초록색. The other is 녹색. 녹색. Yellow. 노란색. 노란색. Orange. 주황색. 주황색. And black. 금천색. 금천색. Gold. 금색. 금색. White. 흰색. 흰색. The other is 하얀색. 하얀색. And the last one is silver. 은색. 은색.
Lion in Korean, saja. Saja. Tiger in Korean, horange. Horange. Monkey in Korean, wosongge. Wosongge. Chimpanzee in Korean, chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Orangutan in Korean, orang-hutan. Orang-hutan. Gorilla in Korean, gorilla. Gorilla. Dog in Korean, gai. Gai. Cat in Korean, govangi. Govangi. Horse in Korean, mal. Mal. Pony in Korean, jorang mal. Jorang mal.
guess we're ready for our conversation. Let's see. 여보세요?
유지민지네 집 맞나요?
네, 맞아요. 미지인데요.
아, 민지구나. 난 윤수진이야. 오랜만에 연락했. 년대 기억하년 구나.
그럼 당연해. 기억하지. 오랜만이다.
용갑지지. 준화해. 순눌라지.
조금 놀라긴 했기만 우준 일이야.
민지 시간 있네.
저번 저는 가비한 이 수암들고 gatko darum 조준.
주에 마나자 요롬.
그래 알았어.
gyure gyuromanyong wait lang.
Okay na.